Hello there. Welcome to this MBL session on UK merger control and the FDI regime in the UK. My name's Elizabeth Turner. I'm a director at Walker Morris in Leeds. I've had around 20 years experience as a competition practitioner in private practice, and I've also spent a period of time at the UK competition regulator, the Competition and Markets Authority. In this session, we'll cover the following topics. We will look at how to identify the UK merger control thresholds, how to approach the share of supply test under UK merger control rules, which can sometimes be a little tricky. We'll look at what to consider when deciding whether or not to notify a merger in the UK. We'll then move on to look at recent practice in UK merger control reviews by the CMA. After that, we will move on to have a look at the UK's equivalent FDI regime, the National Security and Investment Act. So we'll look at these investments when they may potentially raise national security issues. We'll then look at recent trends in NSIA reviews and then a few upcoming changes potentially to the NSIA regime in the UK. So, firstly, we'll look at the thresholds for notification under UK merger control rules. When can the CMA review a transaction? So, these are cumulative tests. When two or more enterprises cease to be distinct, and when one or more of three thresholds are met. The first question to answer then is what constitutes an enterprise? So these constitute activities or part of the activities of a business. There's no requirement under UK competition rules for an enterprise to be a legal entity, and it may comprise a number of components in combination. For example, we have employees, existing contracts, facilities or premises, intellectual property and goodwill. The most important consideration is that there is a certain economic continuity of the business being transferred. So, for example, stock or certain physical assets transferred alongside customer contracts, or even customer lists and the trading name of the business, where that's able to be recognised as an ongoing operation in the market, and in particular for customers, then that may constitute an enterprise. So as I say, we're not necessarily looking at a company itself. It may be certain assets of a company in combination.